The first thing I want to share with y'all is where I get a couple of different sizes and types of jars and bottles. So we're going to go through some of the bottles that I have sitting here to my left, and then I'm just going to explain to you where I bought them from, and I'll try to pull up a screenshot of the actual website listing so that you're able to go and find exactly what it is, where to get it, and just go ahead and start your business off like that. First one is something that I like to call a tester or a sample container. This is a 1/2 ounce plastic container with the pink lid because it's cute, right? And I believe I purchased this from SKS bottle. It came in a case of about 100. The jar and the lids were included. That's something that I really like about SKS bottle, is that you're able to get a big bulk of items that come with the jar and the lid already included in the price. A lot of these websites you have to purchase your jars and your lids separately, which can be a hassle if your jar is in stock but your lid is out of stock. I really like this for packaging things like a sample or a free gift, or if you're doing like a giveaway. It's a nice size container that you're not going to be wasting too much product, but your customer's actually going to get a good amount of it to sample. And I like the color of the pink lid because it actually goes with my branding really well. Next we have, this is a 2 ounce clear plastic jar that I use to package my coffee scrubs, pink clay mask, small amounts of products, and I got this from Amazon. You can purchase these off Amazon, but if you're looking for a larger amount or getting a bulk amount of them, I recommend looking at Container and Packaging because they also have this on Container and Packaging. A 4 ounce container that I got from SKS bottle. This is a 4 ounce container that came with the pink lid, a vendor called SKS bottle, and they had this really cute like muted pink, and it goes with my brand colors perfectly. Let me show you. I was in love. Like, look at how perfectly this looks. It's almost identical to the color of pink that I'm using for Rose Beat Cosmetics. So if you're into glassware, I recommend Container and Packaging. If you like to package your products using glass bottles, they have amber, blue, cobalt blue, they have like a green, and they also have like regular clear glass. But before I was aware of that, and before I was actually ordering a bulk amount of products, I used uline.com to purchase these 8 ounce glass jars that I used to sell my body butters in, just because I like the way that glass holds the body butters, and it also gives like a better quality packaging for me, for my business. They come with a white lid, or you could get a black lid, I believe, on Uline. And these come in amounts of, I think you get them by 12. I think it's 12 or 24. I gotta double check, but they come with the lid included as well. So, and the lid is already on, so that's really handy. Okay, so this is a 12 ounce wide clear plastic container with a, I believe this is called neutral tone lid. It's like almost clear, but it's not clear. It's kind of got that frosty look to it, which I actually prefer. I like this at a time. Like, I was obsessed with the neutral toned lids for a little while. So I got this 12 ounce container from SKS bottle, and I believe these also came in a pack. So they come with the bottle and the lid attached to them as well. They're 12 ounces. These were I was using to sell my leave-in conditioners. As you all know, with our hair type, y'all know we really like using our conditioner. We like a nice scoop. So I figured the 12 ounce was a good size for that. Also good size for like body scrubs and body butters and stuff. Next, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this 4 ounce glass Boston round bottle. This is a Boston round glass bottle with a black dropper. It comes with a dropper. I got these from Container and Packaging. I was using these to sell my body oils and hair growth oils. Specifically because of the dropper. I like the dropper application. When you're applying it, I like to be able to drop the correct amount using this. And I also like that they're glass. Container and Packaging, they come in 64. So you have to get them in quantities of 64. Glass is usually like more expensive to ship. So if you're looking for a cheaper option, I definitely would recommend getting a plastic 4 ounce bottle to sell your oils in. However, if you're interested in glass, I do recommend getting them from Container and Packaging. I've never had an issue where any glass was broken. They're always packaged really nicely. The price in it is just right. I just showed you. I have plenty more jars that I can share with you guys, but for now, I'm just going to end it off right here showing you guys those. Alright, so for this portion of the video, I'm going to be taking my camera with me so I can show y'all some of the stuff that you see behind me. There's some more bottles over there, and then over here I have like labels. There's a box right here somewhere, and then different kinds of things like that over here. And also you'll see I have like boxes up here. There's a container with some tissue paper, packing peanuts, more jars, and then the boxes over here. Here's a box that I got with my logo printed on the side of it, and my Instagram printed at the top, and my website down at the bottom. I believe I got these boxes from something called, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe this website is called Box Lane or Box Up. Whatever the website link is, I'll make sure I include that in the description box for y'all. But you can get a custom box where you can put anything that you'd like from your, you can put a product picture on the side, you can put your logo, you can put, if you have like a promotional offer or something up here, you can put any type of information that you want. It's fully customizable to your liking. This box size is 12 by 12 by 12. This is the box size that I was using to sell my wholesale products in because I needed a big box, like a really big size box. But I also have a smaller size that's 4 by 4 box, which I can go ahead and build it for y'all and show you how it looks. And this is what it looks like. I only got the logo printed on one side of it. They'll charge you per side that you get printed on, so you can choose to print on all 4 sides of the box if you like. But every time you add onto a different side of the box, they are like charging you for it. I like this because it saves on cost of printing. If you guys know, in my previous videos I was using like labels to stick on every single box, and I had to print them out using my printer. It gets expensive, so I prefer to get a good branded professional quality box like this. Something else that is very important when you're packaging your orders is to have really solid and sturdy packing tape to package your box securely so that no one can open it and it can't be tampered with before your customer actually receives it. We all have had an instance where someone has stolen our package or ripped our package open before we even got a chance to look at what's inside. Here is the packing tape that I use. I know y'all have seen this in a lot of my videos before. It's packing tape that has my logo on the side of it. So not only is it going to keep the package secure, it's also branded. It has a logo on the side of it. This I get from Sticker Mule, and if you click the link in the description box, you can get $10 off using my link. It's a referral link that if you click and you sign up using my link, you'll get $10 off. I really like Sticker Mule because their shipping is fast. It's very easy to use the software to upload your logo or whatever kind of design you want to put on there. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys where I get the labels and things like that I use for all those jars that I just was showing y'all. Like these jars where I get the labels to put on the cosmetic jars. And let's just step over here into my little cubby area, which I can't wait to reorganize the stuff, and hopefully I can sit and watch me do it. But I've got a whole ton of different size labels, business cards, stickers, all types of things that I get from online labels. Just go to online labels, any size label, any shape, any type of waterproof, thermal, all of that. You can get all of that stuff from online labels. I will go through and show you guys each individual size of everything, but just know that I have a label that goes for every size jar that I just showed you. I recommend online labels. If you have any questions about where to or how to size the labels, I'll put a link up for that video that I put out a while ago on how to like size the label for your jars, because that's a whole nother process and you don't want to buy the wrong size label. So we just went over jars, boxes, tape, and labels. Now I'll show you guys where tissue paper, crinkle paper, and packing peanuts. Here are the boxes that I use, and there's a stack of them up here. These boxes are 9 by 6 by 4, I believe, or 9 by 4 by 6. Something like that. I'll include the correct dimensions in the description box, but I get all of these boxes from Uline, and they come in 100. You get 100 boxes like this. They come all flat and wrapped up, and get 100 for about $100. I'll make sure I include a screenshot so you can see the actual pricing, but uline.com for boxes. And in here I have tissue paper. Also get the tissue paper from Uline. and the crinkle paper that's at the bottom from Uline. And this one, there's like packing peanuts that I will use to package orders after my crinkle paper runs out. That packing peanuts come from all these big orders of jars and stuff like that. In the container and packaging box, they always put a ton of packing peanuts at the bottom. Same thing with Uline, there's always packing peanuts with their packaging. They make sure nothing is broken at all. So I saved them packing peanuts and put them in a container because reduce, reuse, recycle, and free packaging, okay? So that's that. So that is like a really quick, really quick, brief rundown of some of the different things that you can purchase for your cosmetic business. If you're just starting, congratulations to you, girl, for starting your cosmetic business. I'm manifesting growth, huge success, and all the money in the world for you. That was just like a brief, like, inventory haul, I guess you can say. If there's anything else that you guys want to know where to purchase it from, or you have a question on where I got something or anything, just make sure you comment down below. I'm going to make sure I try to respond to all of you guys' comments and questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of quick. I know I talk kind of fast because I'm kind of tired. But thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, one more thing before I close this video out completely. If there's any specific type of video that you guys would like to see me film, I know you guys have been reaching out, wondering when I'll be back selling. Pray for me. It's coming very soon. I'm just trying to get my head back in the right space. But if there's anything else that I can help you guys with or teach you about, or if y'all just want to see like a chit chat, anything, comment down below. Any kind of content suggestions or anything that you'd like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching.